These are the top 10 reasons Prairie Village Kansas homebuyers and real estate investors choose Bulldog Professional Inspection Services when they want a 5-star home inspector. Number 1. We explain the results in plain English. We love to make things easy to understand so you're never left wondering what happened or what we meant. Number 2. We'll follow up after the inspection. We do this to ensure you receive your report as promised and answer any questions you may have. Number 3. We maintain a 4.9 Google rating. We're proud of our 4.9 rating, with more than 15,000 property inspections since 2003. Number 4. The Ultimate Building Materials Cost Estimates Guide. A free 29-page ebook that makes home ownership easier by giving you the estimated replacement cost of over 550 items around the home. Number 5. Our 30-minute DIY home inspection checklist. Check out the bones yourself and save hundreds in inspection fees by avoiding homes with major problems. Just $18.99. Number 6. We are one of Kansas City's top 3 property inspectors. We did this through expertise and the commitment to doing our home inspections right the first time. Number 7. We've never tried to be the biggest, just the best. We can only promise to do your home inspection right the first time because Steve Rodriguez does all property inspections himself, and he gets better every year. Number 8. We encourage you to attend. This lets you hear the outcome yourself and answer any questions you may have. It also makes the information inside your home inspection report a little easier to understand. Number 9. If the house is not ready when we arrive, there is no fee to reschedule. This isn't your fault, so the first trip is always free if the house is not ready for any reason that prevents us from giving you the kind of home inspection we promise to deliver. Number 10. We also perform a 5-point major items inspection. Since 2005, we've been doing an abbreviated home inspection that only checks the bones of a home, and only includes the foundation, plumbing, roof, electrical, and HVAC systems. These were the top 10 reasons home buyers and real estate investors call Bulldog Home Inspections when they want a 5-star home inspector in Prairie Village, Kansas. Call us now to schedule your Prairie Village home inspection. We look for the clues that tell the whole story so you know what you're buying before it's too late.